Right, I'm at a McDonald's right here. I'm in Japan and I'm going to get something to eat. So let me go ahead and get in the line. I don't know which way to go, but I'm gonna go find it. Looking at here, McDonald's Japan. Let's see. All right, I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I can't read Japanese like that, so I'm just gonna look up here and see what they're working with up here. All right. Just 1 second, anybody. There's the Grand Clubhouse. It's Grand Bacon. They have all sorts of things going up on here. The Filet-O-Fish, familiar with that. Then they have the Teriyaki Burger. That looks good. I might go with that. Oh, what is that? A teriyaki chicken fillet? It sounds good. Absolute goodness. All right, I think I'm gonna go with. Let's see how much I have. I'm gonna get the Grand Garlic Pepper Burger. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, so I got about 500 yen, and I'm gonna take that. Yeah, can I get the Grand? Can I get the Grand Garlic Burger, please?
Grand garlic burger?
Sure, just the burger, not the meal. Yes, just one. Is it goodness? Absolute goodness. Yes? Yes. All right, here we go. All right, thanks a lot. All right, get my change back. All right, thank you. So I'm going to come over here and wait for my burger to come out. It's coming up. Let's see. Oh, the double Big Mac. I could have got that. That looks really good right there. Maybe I might get that when I go back home. Let's see. It's going to be absolute. Get the garlic burger. What are they getting? They're really busy back there. I can really tell. People in line waiting to get some stuff. Absolute goodness. 75. I'm 227. All right, lucky number right here. All right, he said just a moment. I can't wait to get this Grand Burger. It's gonna be really cool. This says, I can't read Japanese. They said read from top to bottom, but I can't really do that. Let's see. That's me. All right, thanks a lot. All right, have a good one. Absolute goodness. Let me get this. Can't wait to get this first authentic Japanese hamburger. All right, doesn't get more American than that. Absolute goodness. All right, so I'm gonna sit down here and have this burger. All right, let me get down here. All right, so I have this burger. I'm gonna pull it out. It says it's the Grand Garlic Pepper Burger. Smells like garlic, 100% absolute goodness. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. The Grand Garlic Pepper Burger. All right, so I'm gonna open it up, smell it. Looks like it has some sort of barbecue sauce, but I'm guessing that's the garlic sauce on it. That's the garlic sauce that we have on it. I'm gonna go and taste it. If you look at it, it's a burger. It looks like some sort of mayonnaise, tomato, lettuce. I'm gonna take a bite of it really quick and see how it is. Definitely can taste the garlic. The sauce is almost like barbecue sauce. I can't really tell if that's mayonnaise or mustard or mayonnaise mustard sauce. Whatever it is, I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna make it myself. Take another bite of this. That was really good. Take another bite of it. That's really good. The bread is kind of different from the bread that I get back in the United States. It's really good. The spices really permeate each other. Little pieces of onions down there with the lettuce give it a great crunch. It's really good. I'm almost done. Probably have like maybe 3, possibly 4 more bites before it's like history. So I'm gonna take it a little bit slower. That's good. It's really good. I'm down to the last couple of bites. As an